Okay, so this is the Lightning by ThermoPro meat thermometer. And the box, so it comes in this nice, beautiful box, great for a gift. I already put the battery inside, but it comes with a screwdriver and it comes with one AAA battery. So you're all set to go right out of the box. To turn it on, you just lift the meat poker and then it'll turn on. You can go between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then on the back side, it's gonna give you some temperatures. So well done beef, medium, rare, pork, ham, poultry. Also, it is magnetic, so that's super cool. You can keep it on your barbecue or, you know, oven, refrigerator. Really nice, super high quality, definitely recommend. And just the way it's packaged, you can tell that it's, you know, made with care, and it would really be a great Christmas gift or birthday gift because it's all ready to go. So I definitely recommend the Instant Read Thermometer by Lightning by ThermoPro.